Hi everyone, so there was a lovely request for the beautiful melody Slievenamon that I just could not ignore. So I'm going to play it for you now and let's learn it together. Okay, so let's get straight into the tutorial and we're going to learn the first phrase. So starting off on high D. Okay, so notice the embellishments there. There's two Ds, D, D, E, and then I tend to cut coming off that E note. E, cut D. Down to a G, so nice and soft then as you come off those higher notes. Remember to soften to play that low G. Okay, so I'm going to play it one more time. Great. Okay, we're on to the next phrase, starting on bottom D. D, G, B, C, D, low E, and very soft to get that clear low E coming off those higher notes. And it's an important thing to remember whenever you're playing the tin whistle. It's such a sensitive instrument, and really your breath work and the amount of power that you're putting into your breathing is really, really important. So in my beginner tutorials, I would have talked a lot about the amount of power that's needed for the higher octave, and then likewise coming down from the higher octave into the lower octave, and just being really, really mindful and careful about the way that you're blowing those notes and really softening up. It doesn't take a lot of power at all to blow those really low octave notes. So we're wanting, especially if we're coming off a higher note, we're wanting to really soften down to get the clear E note. So that phrase again. Third phrase. Okay, that's third and fourth together. Okay, let's go with it. So I started with an A cut, A cut, A cut, G. Just take a little bit of time just to practice your A cut going down to your G note. And then the last phrase is a B cut starting. We want to make sure whenever we're playing this air that we are mindful not to be using our tongue unless we want to. We want to keep the whole melody very smooth. So be conscious that you're not using your tongue and that you're allowing the notes to flow freely from one to the next. Okay, that's the first half. Take your time, pause the video, learn each phrase, and then once you're confident, come back to this section. And then you play the first half twice, so you can practice that in your own time. Okay, then we're going on to the second half, opening phrase. I do quite a lot of embellishment and cuts on this tune, so G cut F to open up that phrase, G cut F. there was another cut there on the A's. A cut, B, C. So G cut, down to F. Okay, second phrase, C natural, we're staying on that note. C, B, cut, G, A, B. C, B, cut, G, A, B. Then we have two high Ds here for the third phrase, D, D, C sharp. We're going to change into a C sharp from C natural. It's going C sharp this time. Just be aware of that and don't let it slip you up. D, D, C, A, B, C. I'll play that again. So it's D, D, C, A, B, C sharp. And then we're going to punch into the high F. This is going to be another cut, F cut, E, D, C natural, B, A. Oh, another little B cut in there if you want to play it, or you can just play the two Bs. So you could do. That's also a very valid option. You can just play a long IF and a long B. But I tend to embellish it with those cuts. Okay, now we're on to the third part, which is starting on a high D, and it's two Ds, but I'll never will forget. So, D, D, E, D, E, D, G. This phrasing is recycled right from the first half, so I'm going through it a little bit quicker. D, G, B, C, D, E. And then the last part, A cut, exactly the same as the first half. A cut, G, F, D, E, F. And then the ending phrase is the same as before, B cut, A, G. And there we have it. That is the full Slievenamon. I have played the full tune at the very start. So once you have mastered it, feel free to go back to the start and play along with me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. And please, as ever, if you have any requests, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below, and hopefully I will get to your request soon and I will be able to record that for you. Okay, have a nice one. Happy whistling. Bye.